Alright, so here's the ingrown toenail that I'm going to be fixing. Really isn't feeling very good, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Here's the nail that I've already cut back. I'm just going to have to pull it out there with a pair of pliers. Get it out of there. Otherwise this is going to be too sore to work on. So, anyways, let me get the pliers and then I'll show you here. Alright, so we're back at it here. Got them in with a good grip here. All I have to do is just yank it out, I guess. That doesn't feel good at all. Ouch. There you go. That's the ingrown toenail there. There you go.